Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can put ads on your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, just go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And then once you load it, this is how it will look like. In the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the setup section, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, blogs, app, and so on. So right now, just go to marketing, hover your mouse over it, and then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find marketing home, Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, and referral program. So right now, all you need to do, guys, is go to Google Ads if you want to add the ads from Google, and then you need to complete these steps, complete each task, then come back here to update your checklist. So right now, just follow the checklist. As you can see guys right here, first of all, you need to publish your site. To publish it, just go to the editor and then you're going to find the option to publish it. Then upgrade your site to the premium plan, and then connect your custom domain. Then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find Facebook and Instagram ads. Right here, as you can see guys, you can use Facebook ads. So just click on get started and then log in with your Facebook account. Then you're going to be able to link your Facebook account to your Wix website. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.